Hello, and welcome to today's noteworthy mechanism, the astrolabe. According to the Encyclopedia Britannica, an astrolabe is any other type of early scientific instrument used for reckoning time and for observational purposes. One widely employed variety, the planispheric astrolabe, enabled astronomers to calculate the position of the Sun and prominent stars with respect to both the horizon and the meridian. It provided them with a plane image of the celestial sphere and the principal circles, namely, those representing the ecliptic, celestial equator, and tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. Because of such features, the planispheric astrolabe can be regarded as a kind of rudimentary analog computer. Let's explore further. Astrolabes are an ancient astronomical instrument. They were first used in ancient Greece, were extensively developed in the medieval Islamic world, and became the key astronomical instrument of the Western Middle Ages. Imagine a magical blending of a compass, a sundial, and a world map. A mind-boggling device used for centuries to navigate the cosmos, map the stars, and tell time. The astrolabe is an ancient astronomical instrument, often crafted from brass, that dates back to classical times. It was used to observe and calculate the positions of celestial bodies such as the stars, the sun, and even the planets. The astrolabe has a rich history. No one really knows for sure who invented the astrolabe. The concept appears to go back to the Roman Empire, and has been claimed it was invented by Hypatia of Alexandria, a female mathematician and philosopher who lived in Egypt in the 4th century AD. However, the idea of the astrolabe is certainly older than that, so it's more likely that Hypatia was an expert in teaching about and improving the existing technology. The astrolabe is generally believed to have originated in ancient Greece around the 2nd century BCE and gradually spread across various civilizations, including the Islamic Golden Age and medieval Europe. The astrolabe was well known in the Islamic world during the Middle Ages and the Islamic Golden Age, and some of the great Muslim scientists made further improvements. Muslim astronomers such as Al-Khwarizmi and Al-Fazari used astrolabes to accurately determine prayer times and the direction of Mecca. Copernicus, the great astronomer, used the astrolabe to develop his revolutionary heliocentric model. Sailors relied on it to navigate unknown seas, guiding them safely to their destinations. As Columbus embarked on his voyages of exploration, astrolabes were vital to his navigation. When Vasco da Gama sailed around the tip of Africa to India, 1497–9, he took a small brass astrolabe and a larger wooden one, which he used on land with a tripod for greater accuracy. In the Renaissance era, astrolabes were cherished by scholars and intellectuals. The English writer Geoffrey Chaucer, more famous for his Canterbury Tales, wrote a treatise on the astrolabe in 1391 which explained how to use the instrument. Legendary thinker Leonardo da Vinci marveled at their intricate designs and incorporated them into his own drawings and sketches. The astrolabe became a symbol of knowledge and the pursuit of understanding the mysteries of the universe. Now, let's take a closer examination of the astrolabe itself. They come in all shapes and sizes, but most astrolabes consist of several essential components. The front of the astrolabe shows a map of the night sky in the form of a rotating, net-like, rete, which represents the sky and contains stars, zodiac symbols, and other celestial objects. The spikes on the rete indicate the positions of individual stars. It's like having a mini portable planetarium. The rete also shows the path of the Sun against the background stars. This path is known as the ecliptic, and the constellations through which the Sun passes on the ecliptic are the well-known signs of the zodiac. Beneath the rete sits a plate inscribed with a projection of sky above an observer at a given latitude. The plate and the rete nest inside the body, or womb, of the astrolabe, called the mater. On the back of the astrolabe is a rotating bar called the alidade or label, which is used to measure the altitude above the horizon of celestial bodies. This side of the instrument is divided into degrees for taking altitude measurements, and is also engraved with a calendar and divisions of the zodiac. By aligning the rete with a particular star or planet, The astrolabe allows us to calculate the altitude and the celestial coordinates of that celestial body in relation to our location on Earth. It was like having GPS back in the day. The astrolabe operates on a simple principle. It measures the angles of celestial objects in relation to the observer's horizon. By aligning the instrument with specific stars or celestial bodies and carefully manipulating its movable parts, astronomers could calculate the time, the position of the stars, and even predict astronomical events. One of the most intriguing aspects of the astrolabe is its ability to measure time. By aligning the rete with the sun, it acted as a sundial, enabling Renaissance scholars and sailors to determine both the time of day and the navigational position. It's like having a pocket-sized time machine. Can you imagine how significant this device was for our ancestors? The astrolabe was more than just a scientific tool. It was a symbol of exploration, knowledge, and humanity's unending curiosity about the world beyond. Fast forward to the present day. Even in our technology-driven world, the astrolabe continues to influence and inspire astronomers. While we now have state-of-the-art telescopes and satellites, the astrolabe's analog charm reminds us of our ancient fascination with the cosmos. So, my friends, the astrolabe isn't just an instrument, it's a bridge connecting us to our human history and our timeless curiosity about the universe. It has accompanied explorers, guided scholars, and even sparked the imagination of great minds like Da Vinci. As we continue to explore the wonders of the universe and its technologies, let's remember the humble and mighty astrolabe and the role it played in shaping our understanding of the cosmos.